Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's kitchen. My name is Lydia. Today we are going to be making palava sauce, spinach stew or kontomire stew, and I hope you will enjoy this delicious recipe. And please kindly subscribe, like, share and also comment. This palava sauce or kontomire stew goes very well with rice, yam, plantain and persi and a lot more. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let's get started. So I have here spinach that I've already chopped, and I also have here grilled mackerel, blended melon seeds, some chopped onions, I also have here palm oil, cayenne pepper, curry powder, salted fish, salted Kako, and homemade seasoning powder. So to my saucepan, I will heat the palm oil and fry the salted fish for a few minutes. To infuse the oil, it also adds flavor to the stew. Next, I'll add the sliced onions and I'll fry for another few minutes. I'll also add in blended ginger, garlic and onion. So after frying for a few minutes, I'll add in the chopped tomatoes, and to it I'll add the homemade seasoning spices, cumin powder and the curry powder. I'll stir and let it simmer on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Next, I'll add in the grilled mackerel. I'll stir and let it simmer on a low heat. And at this point, I'll scoop in the blended melon seeds. Once the melon seed has been added, gently stir it, cook and simmer for a few minutes. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe at this point. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And at this point, I'm going to add the chopped spinach. And I'll stir and let it simmer on a low heat. And at this point, our delicious spinach stew, kontomire stew or palava sauce is all done, smelling good and looking so beautiful. So you can pair this stew with rice, yam and persi and a lot more. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. So thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye, have a blessed week.